Hi everybody, this is Andrew from T is for Tech, and today, kind of probably wondering, what does Thursday Boot Company boots have to do with tech? And I guess that's the question I would ask too, and probably not much. There's not a lot of overlap with a tech channel, unless you consider everyday carry or your everyday sort of life technology as it kind of gets you through your day. Yeah, obviously shoes are important in that sense, right? I don't typically walk around barefoot. So, as I have reviewed in the past, nomadic backpacks, nomadic travel accessories, tech accessories and things like that, I thought it'd be also interesting to take a look at these boots from Thursday Boot Company. Now, one of the reasons I decided to make this video is because I don't see a lot of this specific boot on YouTube, and I know that there's a lot of people probably looking at this boot from Thursday. So I wanted to do an unboxing, just a quick initial first look at this, and obviously maybe I'll follow up later on after I've worn them for some period of time and actually can provide a review on comfort and all of that stuff. But for now, I'll just do an unboxing. I do enjoy a well-made shoe and want to take a look at Thursday boots. So as you can see, it comes in this kind of black box. Now these are the Casa Moto boot. So these are, I guess you would say, limited edition versions. I know that they did have them in the past. They were out of stock for a long time. Now they're back in stock. But yeah, these are the black Casa Moto boots, size 12. Typically I do wear 12.5, 13 in like a tennis shoe, but I found in most boots of this type of manufacturing, I do wear a size 12. So that's what I have here. So we'll go ahead and just open this up, take a quick look. Don't want to spend too long on this because somebody's going to say, why did you make a 15-minute unboxing video for shoes? So as you can see, nice black box. There is a card inside, basically a quality control card signed by someone. I don't know if that says Sam or Sammy or something like that, but it's kind of a nice touch. There's a couple spacers in there. Probably depending on the size of your shoe, there'll be more or less spacers so that the shoes don't shift around in the box. Some nice packaging, and each of the boots is wrapped in a plastic. So I'll go ahead and just kind of get these out. Now, just a little bit of background on the Casa Moto racer boots. These are a collaboration that Thursday Boots has with Randy Gerber from Casamigos. And as you can see, they do have a little bit of a distressed look to them. The black is harder to tell than the brown that they have on their site, but you can see that they're, the leather, it's a very soft leather right away. I can feel it's a soft leather. It's not a real stiff boot leather that you might see on some of the other boots. And basically, according to the Thursday Boot site, every piece of this boot was custom made or custom designed or custom created for this special collaboration. So what do these feature? They feature a black, I guess this is a black leather. They do have a rugged version that's kind of like a more matte color, but this is the normal black. Obviously, they have Goodyear welt construction, padded collar, as you can see here. You can see some of the padding. They have zippers, so this is a side zip boot, so that a little bit easier to get on and off. Those are ruby zippers. There's Kevlar blended laces. Has a pour-on antimicrobial shock-absorbing insole. Reinforced eyelets, and these shoes do have a cork midsole, so they will mold to your foot over time. Pretty much all of the high-quality kind of handcrafted and elements that you would expect in a nicely made boot. So as you can see, like I said, leather's really soft. It's got padding. There's a hook on the back. It does have a toe cap. You can say the Goodyear welted construction. See the heel piece does have nails or brads in there to give a little bit more structural integrity to it. Let's see if you can sound this. So the zipper is pretty easy to zip. Now this should have, from what I've read, a good amount of sealing out of the elements. So if you do wear these on a day where it's raining or snowing or something like that, and you get some water on this, from what I've read, this does a good job of keeping the boot still weatherproof, but also allowing you to easily get it on and off. So as you can see, basically designed in New York, handcrafted in Mexico, size 12, handmade in small batches. I don't know if you can see inside, but you do have the Thursday boot logo down in there. And that is in that pour-on kind of inner lining. The rest of the lining is leather. Overall, it feels very soft, very nice. It's definitely very, very good looking boots. They're a little bit taller than other boots that I have. I think some of the other boots would probably be short about an inch or inch and a half, based, depending, maybe an inch and a half, 2 inches. So these go up a little bit higher on your ankles. Overall quality looks to be pretty good. There's not really any blemishes or anything that I can see. The leather looks nice. It's very soft, as I said, which should help when you're trying to break these in, because the leather isn't as stiff as it might be in some other boot styles. You can see the lug sole. Yeah, so basically pretty nice boots. They feel, like I said, they feel really well made. And I can't wait to actually wear these and kind of try them out. If you want to find out some more about these boots, go ahead and click on the link below. I'll link to the Thursday Boot website. If you have any questions specifically around these, go ahead and post those in the comment section. I'll be happy to kind of answer you or provide as much information as I can. Like I said, I haven't seen these many good videos, or at least any high quality videos on YouTube for these boots, so that's why I wanted to do this as part of the channel. Again, a little bit of a stretch on a tech channel, but definitely something that I would chalk up to life accessories, especially in areas where you might need a nice boot in the winter. So this is Andrew from T is for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.